Hello, St. Mary's friends. Hope you had a great week so far. And I have some special rocks here, but I need to figure out how many rocks I have. And so I was going to try and count them, and I thought maybe you could help me count them. Let's see. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, wait, did I already count this one? What about the? I can't remember which ones I counted and which ones I didn't count yet. Wonder how I can keep better track of them. Let's see, what if, okay, so they're in kind of like a pile right now. What if I move each one as I count it? Let's see. So one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay, that really helped. When I picked them up and put them in a line, then it helped me remember which ones I counted and which ones I hadn't counted yet. Because otherwise, it can get very easy. Let's try counting them with them all mixed up. So we put them in a line, and how many were there? 10. You got it. So let's put them all back together and kind of mush. Okay, let's try counting them. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wait, I got 13 that time. But how many did we say there were when we counted them out in a line? 10. Yeah, so I must have counted the same one twice. Like maybe I came back to this one 2 times and I counted it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And see, I had already counted that one. So I can't, if I count it twice, then that changes the number. So let's test it again. So we did it like that. We did it in a clump. It was pretty hard to count in a clump. We counted it out in a line one at a time. And that was a little bit easier because we could remember which one we counted, right? And there's another way that I learned about at my kindergarten where I teach. So let me show you something called a 10 frame. So I'm going to turn this around and let's see how many boxes do we see. Let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 boxes. Can you figure out how many boxes are on the top? Let's see. Did you count 5? I counted 5. And how many are on the bottom? Let's see. Did you count 5 on the bottom too? So that means we had 5 on the top and 5 more on the bottom. And let's see. So that, and we said that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe that's why they call it a 10 frame. I don't know. But so there are 10 boxes on there in the 10 frame. And let's see if we can, what happens if we put one rock in each box and see how that, if that helps us keep track of them. So I'm going to move the rocks back into kind of a mushy pile here. And we'll take them one by one and put them into the boxes. So let's see. I'll do it this way so it's, I'm trying to think for the camera. It goes left to right. Okay, so I'm going to go 1. Can you count with me? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's see. Why don't you try it on your own this time? So I'll just point to them and you do the counting. I won't even, maybe I'll move my mouth, but I won't actually say the words, okay? So here goes. How many did you get? 10? All right, thumbs up. So now what happens though? So we had 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom. what happens if my friend Donnie the Dino comes over and he says, "Hey, I really like stones. Could I please play with 3 of your stones?" And I would say, because I love sharing, I would say, "Of course you can. Here are 3 stones. Which ones do you want?" And he says, let's see. Can I have this one, please? And this one? And this one? Okay, here you go, buddy. So let's see. So Donnie the Dino took, let's see, how many did he take? 1, 2, 3. You can put them in a line like that. So let's see how many are left over on our 10 frame. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are left over. And then what happened next is my friend Timmy the Turtle came over and said, "Hey, can I play with some of those rocks too? They look pretty fun." And I said, "Oh, sure. Yeah, I love sharing. Here, which ones do you want to borrow?" How about this one, and this one? So I'm going to play over here. Okay, here, let me give you those rocks, buddy. 1, 2, 3. So let's see. Donnie the Dino has 3. 1, 2, 3. Timmy the Turtle has 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many are going to be left on the board? Do you think you can even count those on your own? Let's see. Okay, let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so let's see. There, we said there were how many on the top? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. So there are 5 boxes, and one of those boxes is empty. And we figured out there are 4 stones left. If there are 4 stones on here, I wonder how many empty boxes there are on this page. Let's count the empty boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to set this down for a second and use my hands. Hopefully, and I dropped them on the ground. And I'm dropping more on the ground. This is a little tricky. But, so we had 4 stones and we had 6 empty spaces. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 empty spaces and 4 more stones. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is that going to be all together? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. Let's see. Okay, so now I gotta find. I dropped those stones. This is a little tricky. I could pick out a few more. So let's see. We had 4 stones up here, so I need 1 more little stone. So now my friend Donnie asked and said, "Hey, can I borrow a few more stones?" And I said, "Sure you can. Which ones do you want to borrow?" Can I borrow this one, and this one, please?" "Sure, I love sharing. Here you go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, you got any more stones that I could borrow too? I love these stones." Sure, Timmy the Turtle. Here, which one do you want? Well, I guess there's just one left. Well, I love purple. Okay, here we go. So let's see. I wonder if we can figure out how many Donnie the Dino has now and how many Timmy the Turtle has. Let's count out Donnie the Dinos. Okay. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So I wonder, this is kind of a mysterious math problem. If this whole thing was full, there were 10 stones, and our friend Donnie the Dino borrowed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stones. How many spaces are left open? That might tell us how many stones Timmy the Turtle has, and then we can count to check it out. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 open spaces. And do you think that Timmy the turtle has just enough stones to fill up the whole thing? Let's see. One, oops, two, three, four. Wow, okay, so those are some beautiful stones. Let's count them and see how many all together. Can you help me out, Donnie the Dino? Sure. One, two, three, four, five, six. And those were the six you had. Let's see. Timmy the Turtle, can you count the last four? 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! All right. So thanks for counting with me. And if you ever have some toys, let's see. I wonder what would happen though if they wanted to each have the same amount of stones. I wonder how we could do that. Let's see, what if we do one at a time? So we'll do a pile for Donnie the Dino and a pile for Timmy the Turtle. So one for Donnie the Dino, one for Timmy the Turtle, two for Donnie the Dino, two for Timmy the Turtle, three for Donnie the Dino, three for Timmy the Turtle, four for Donnie the Dino, four for Timmy, five for Donnie, and five for Timmy. So let's see, does that seem like it's fair? If you were playing with a friend and you each got 5, would that feel fair? Let's test it out and see what it looks like. 1, 2, oops, 3, 4, 5. And let's see, so there are 5 boxes filled, 5 stones. Let's look and see for Timmy's stones if it fills up the same amount of boxes. And I think that'll help us know if it's fair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, does that feel pretty fair to you? Yep, sure does. Yeah, it sure does. Thanks for sharing with us. Gladly, I love sharing. Okay, everybody. Well, thanks for doing some math with me. That was a lot of counting. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. And anytime that you're trying to count something out with some friends or with your family, you can always line them up, or you can even make your own 10 frame. I actually just made this one on my own. I just drew 10 boxes, and it was pretty fun to draw. So I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy doing lots of math this weekend. All right, bye.